Yo, this is something for Facebook right here. You know what I mean? Real poet right here. But this is the life we live to decide the things that we can be in dealing with fate. So much that we live and deal with is it still in the signs of fate. But this is real, not an oppositional fact. Too much love, it's not as true facts. But every day that we live for us and no one else to see. Too many things the eyes that the human brain can't see. But this is the life that we all should know and live. For knowledge of our brain to have to succeed in life that is real. Too much things that is not on purpose for a man or a woman to be. Too much that you do that I don't see. Best believe it can't be either you or me. So for me telling you this and for me to knowing that, true lives, a true order of a life of the facts. So if you hear this now, best believe this is true. Too much in the honor of being life instead of being real. Peace.